Hi everyone, welcome to Head First Now. So we have built an application for hackathon, and this is Team Hack First Now, and we have this instance assigned to us 41 number. So we call our application Health First Now, and this application is created to bridge the gap between the patient referral system, onboarding system, and the doctor's assignment and prescription assignment. So there are use cases when hospitals are using three different platforms to perform these activities. One to take care of the ticketing system, another one is to take care of the hospital operations and the ERP. So we have developed this platform basically for for bridging the gap. So from in this session, we are going to emphasize on the referral system and the processes. So we have created this service portal called Health First Now, and we have created a couple of catalog items and portal pages out of that. And one of them is the combination of all of them. So we have created individual item as well. If you want to book only appointment, only ambulance services, or only prescription, then you can go ahead with the individual items. Otherwise, you can go ahead with the patient home, register and book an appointment. Here you can register a patient and book an appointment for the same patient at single instance. Okay, I'm going to quickly populate all the required fields, and I'm going to hit OK just to save the time. I'm going to book an emergency appointment. If admission required, then yes. The doctors. So we are saving our patient data and doctors data in two different table just in order to save our patient data. Nobody should be able to steal it. So here, once I'll submit this, my appointment and my patient is registered. And you'll hit back on this portal like this. And once you click on home page again, then this is one more good feature for doctors who are looking at the all appointments or all patients like this. So once they click on any of the appointments they are looking for, like Dr. Brian Lukey is looking for the appointment of an empty patient. Let me assign this appointment to a patient here. Let's go with Happy Singh. Let's assign some medicines to him. And prescription date. Then we can assign the dosage. For 5 days. So that's how we frame our prescription form and hit submit. And your prescription is submitted. And once that page is submitted, they'll be able to see all the ambulance services going on. What are the referrals going on right now? Now let's jump on to the main application where hospital staff will be working on. So we have this application called Health First Now application. And we have created a couple of tables like all related task table where our ambulance services, immigration services, visa services are going on for referred patients. And we have our patient register table, all patient table, all referrals table, then all prescriptions table, how many prescriptions are there, all hospitals. So in our hospitals data, we are capturing all our partners hospitals data. Apart from that, if in case of referrals, if our hospital is out of our network, then we do have a functionality to refer a patient out of network hospital, then all appointments. Now let's jump on to the referrals and let's refer one of the patient. This time, let's go with patient Happy Singh. Okay. So once we'll jump onto the all appointments and doctor feels this patient needs more attention and they need to maybe transfer this patient to some other hospital, then they do have a functionality to refer that patient to some other hospital. And on the patient page, they'll be able to see how many appointments this patient has taken, how many referrals we have made for this patient, how many prescription has been assigned to this patient, things like that. So I'm going to hit to refer to. So once you hit on refer to page, then you'll see new form. You'll be able to see the doctor's name who is referring him from current hospital to the partner hospital if that hospital is partner. Otherwise, you can click on other hospitals and you can fill in the details for the out of partner hospital. For now, I'm going to select partner hospital. Report attach, referred doctor. So Dr. Bob, who's going to take care of it. Bob @gmail.com. Ambulance required, yes, maybe international. These are the symptoms this patient is feeling. Please advise for referrals. Hit submit. So once you hit that submit button, then there'll be an email trigger to the doctor in their mailbox. And that doctor will be able to see whether that patient has been referred or not, and if they can accept that patient. So let me wait for my mailbox. So this is the referral we just did. So as soon as doctor will accept the referral, the state will change to open and referral status will be changed to accepted. And this will trigger a workflow where ambulance services will be triggered and other hospital automated services will be triggered, like bill dispatchment, discharge summary, asset allocation, asset deallocation, etc. So I'm just waiting for the email to come. Okay, now once that referral is submitted, we have to open that referral and we have to save it that this referral is open and this patient is ready to go now. Now request has been submitted for the referral, and once I'll reload this form, I'll be able to see the patient referral number in my mailbox with an email. So as soon as this email will arrive, I'll open that email in incognito window for you without logging in into the ServiceNow, and you'll be able to see that any outside doctor will be able to review any patient and that patient's information, and they'll be able to download that information if they accept or if they want to review those patient information further. That's how they'll be able to do it. So I need to copy the patient ID of this patient. That patient ID will be sent via SMS or separate email to the doctor. And as soon as doctor will enter this patient ID here, they'll be able to see this form, all the details about the patient. And they can click on get all reports and they'll be able to download it in attachment. And they can look at it, what all informations are there in that attachment, something like that. And they can accept or reject with the comments whether this patient can be accepted by them or not. So I'm going to accept this. And hospital staff will be notified. As soon as they'll accept the patient, then all records will be gone from this page and nothing will come up. like this. Done. And if you see on this workflow, this is also completed. Our entire process is completed. Thank you for watching Health First Now application. And these are the future plans for this application. We wanted to integrate this application with SAP or Oracle apps for ERP operation. We want to track medical asset tracking for repairing and retiring alert. We want to track all the disposable medical asset and record keeping. We wanted to introduce machine learning and AI for medical assistance for patient treatment by supervised learning and smooth doctor appointment roster maintenance. Thank you, everyone. That's all for now.